Good morning, students. Today I shall be explaining to you chapter number 14, conjunctions, coordinating and subordinating. So I would request you to open your books at page number 80 and follow the explanation. First of all, let us understand what are conjunctions. So conjunctions are linking words that may be used to join words, phrases and clauses. Now there are three types of conjunctions. The three types of conjunctions are coordinating conjunctions and correlative conjunctions. Then the third one is subordinating conjunctions. Now, what is the role of coordinating and correlative conjunctions? They join two clauses of equal importance. I repeat, they join two clauses of equal importance. It applies for correlative conjunctions also. Correlative conjunctions are two words. In coordinating conjunctions, you will get only one word, whereas in correlative conjunctions, you will get two words which will be used to join words. Suppose, for example, either or, neither nor, so that, this type of words. Now let us come to subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions are the types of conjunctions which are used to join clauses. This clause does not make complete sense. The subordinate clause conveys its meaning only in relation to the other. Now, what are the words used in coordinating and correlative conjunctions? Look at the words for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. They are subordinating conjunctions. So that, either or, neither nor, not only, but also, both and. This type of words, two words are correlative conjunctions. Now in case of subordinate conjunctions, what are the words used? The words used are when, after, before, whenever, while, until, if, unless, although, though, still, because, since, as, where, and whenever, etc. This type of words have their own ideas to use, like whenever or where are used in terms of place. Again, suppose because is used in case of cause or reason. Since also can be used for any kind of cause or reason. Then after can be used at a point of time. After, before, when, whenever, while, until, since, as soon as, once. This can be used as a point of time. Now come to if, unless or until, they are used in the terms of condition. Then than or whether, it is used in place of choice. Now I shall explain you a few examples. Example for conjunctions. You may have it hot or cold. I prefer hot. So, the word or, the conjunction or joins the words hot and cold. Coordinating conjunction. Example, Mom was angry for we had poked the icing on the cake. If the conjunction for is not there, this two becomes two sentences. Like, Mom was angry, we had poked the icing on the cake. Next, correlative conjunction. Example, this is so hot that it can burn the fingers. So, already I had told you correlative conjunctions comprises of two words. So, here you can see so that. These two words are correlative conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions. Example, they are late because there is a traffic jam. So, the word because is giving you the reason why they are late. So, this is subordinating conjunction. I hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you.